As we look at the experiment for the candy chromatography science project, first thing we had to do was prepare 1/8 teaspoon of salt into 3 cups of water, which we did here. Then we had to shake in or stir, James Bond style. We decided to go with the stir and let it dissolve. Once it's fully dissolved, we transported it over to the cup and pulled it out with a dropper. From the dropper, we then placed small drops around each individual. We did the Skittles up here on the top and the M&Ms down the bottom, which gives us 2 different types of candy in order to do this experiment from. Now we move over to our test strips that we created out of coffee filters. We have a Skittles and we have a M&Ms right here. What we're going to do now is we're going to dab a toothpick inside each one of these and then put it onto our test strips here, which are made out of coffee filters. We're going to start with the Skittles and pull the the red. We'll move to the M&Ms. All right. Now that we have this, so now we've taken our test strips and we take to the rulers. We have the M&Ms and the Skittles. We're now going to dip it into the water. And we'll watch as the water gets absorbed up through the test strip. as water hits the colors. As you can see with the M&Ms, the color is rising quicker than in the Skittles. Due to the different natures of dyes, I believe that the M&Ms have more coloring and the Skittles have less coloring. However, it has an added ingredient of titanium dioxide, which may be causing the Skittle color to connect more to the sample than the M&Ms. Due to the movement of each color, it is noted that the molecules that are smaller will move up the sheet quicker and faster than the molecules that are larger. Maybe with the fact that the titanium dioxide is in the Skittles, it is causing it. Maybe they're larger molecules, so it's causing it to move slower than the M&Ms, which allows the dye to stay on the Skittles more than the M&Ms. I have noticed that in my self-experiment that they will melt in your hands. The M&Ms will melt in your hands the color faster than the Skittles will. They have very similar dyes with only one great change, which, as I said before, was a titanium dioxide. So it's my conclusion that the M&Ms travel up because they have smaller molecules, and due to the Skittles traveling slower, it is possible that they have larger molecules, which is causing it to travel slower up the sample strip.